we are in the Fellows Gear Shaper division out at Twin City Gear in the auction. We have two Fellows 615A vertical gear shapers. Both of them have spur guides. They have risers. Then we have three, if you rotate around, 36-6 Fellows. That's 36-6 inch stroke Fellows vertical gear shapers. They all have different size risers and that type. There's all sorts of tooling and accessories for them on the wall. And then we come down to our row of number 7s. Whether it's a 715 or a 7A or a 715A, these are all number 7 Fellows vertical gear shapers. They all have spur guides, as do the Fellows. In fact, all the gear shapers here have spur guides. There is, right here, this lot, 355, is a helical guide to put into these number 6 or number 7 Fellows gear shapers to be able to shape a helical gear. There's also an extra tailstock, more tooling, and without shaper tooling you wouldn't have to do shaper work, but there's tons of cabinets of gear shaper tooling here and around the corner here, down in this box and this box, and all through these cabinets. So plenty of gear shapers and gear shaper cutters here at the auction. I forgot to mention the change gears. These are the change gears, 2 racks of them for the Fellows gear shapers in the auction.